Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Himanshu et aujourd'hui je vais vous enseigner comment on prononce les mots en français. Good morning, my name is Himanshu and today I'm going to teach you how we pronounce words in French. Well, French is a diphthong based language, and to pronounce French words properly, we have to learn them. En commence. Let us start. What are diphthongs? It is a particular sound which is created by the combination of either two vowels, consonants, or vowel consonants. French is a diphthong based language. We have to learn them to read French language correctly. The first diphthong is OU. In French, it gives OO sound. Examples are VOUS. We will pronounce it woo. Here is an additional rule. In French, the last letter is always silent except C, F, L, R, and E. So here you can see at the end of VOUS we have S, which would be silent because it does not fit the rule C, F, L, R, and E. Hence, it will be pronounced as woo, which means you. NOUS, nu, which means we. Two, all. Boosh. CH gives sh sound, so together it will be boosh because OU is oo, CH is sh, together it becomes boosh, which means mouth. Coo, neck. Second diphthong is OI, which gives UA sound. I repeat, UA. Examples are CHOIX. CH is sure, OI is UA, X will be silent. So it will be shua, which means choice. Mua, month. Rua, king. Dua, finger. Buat, box. As I told you, CH gives sh sound. Hence, we have some examples. CHAUD. Now remember, AU gives O sound. CH is sure. It becomes show, hot. CH is sure. EAU gives O sound. It will become chapeau, chapeau, which means hat. CH is sure, OU is oo, X is silent, becomes shoe, cabbage. EAU oblique AU both gives O sound. BEAU is bow, beautiful. CH sure, EAUO total will be chapeau, hat. O water, cadeau, gift. CH is sure, AU is O, show, which means hot. Moving further, EU gives a sound. So in French, EU has closed and open sound. This slide is all about the closed sound. F, fire. P, little. Bl, blue. W, want. Mere, better. EU as an open sound. OU gives U sound, we learned. EU is a. R will be pronounced cooler. Cooler means color. Jeune, young. Burr, verb. Woof, widower. Nuff, 9. Voler, thief. Per, fair. R. Now remember, in French, H is always silent. So instead of saying her, which is a wrong pronunciation, we will say because H is silent. Fleur, flower. In French, these all letters AIN, AIM, EIN and so on, they gave a sound, which is a nasal sound. Let us do some examples. PAIN will be pain, bread. Train, train. Copain, copain, friend. Demain, tomorrow. Ainsi, thus. Vin, wine. Raisin, grapes. Prawns, prince. Fin, end. Malin, cunning. Intéressant, interesting. Next is TH sound, which is T in French. Examples: due, te, which means some tea. Some is missing. Tam, theme. Theory, theory. I would like to mention here, if you could notice, on the top of E, this accent in French, it gives a sound. This accent name is accent aigu. An accent aigu gives a sound. And when this sign comes over E, it gives a sound. The accent name is accent grave. Thème, théorie, theory, thérapie, therapy, thèse, thesis, mathématique. Now remember, QUE gives k sound. Hence it is mathématique, mathematics. Athlète, athlète, athlete. ON gives O sound, which is a nasal. Examples: bon, good, bonne, good, monde, word, bonjour, bonjour, hello, oncle, uncle, bonbon, sweet. Example is, let me read it fast and then I will read it slowly. Mon garçon conduit un long camion marron sur le pont. Mon garçon conduit un long camion marron sur le pont, which means my boy drives a long brown truck on the bridge. UI gives OUI sound. Je suis, I am. Nuit, night. Puis, then. Ensuite, which also means then. So that's all about the today's lesson. If in case you liked it, you can do the full course of French for A1 and A2 level, where I will be telling about these sounds with more examples in details. Thank you so much.